Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and I have a package here from Etsy that I thought that I would do an unboxing with you guys. I think it's some bath stuff, but I'm not positive. Look at that, made by Tricia.com. How cute. That's adorable. So let's see, what did I order? Oh. How cute. I just ordered this stuff. So I got a variety pack of dog treats for my dog. Corn, soy, and dairy-free, no byproducts or preservatives. She is made by Tricia.com, and 5 ounces equals 51 treats. Whole wheat flour, oatmeal, water, coconut oil. And then there's a full ingredient list inside, she said. So, this is the variety pack. I forget what all is, what flavors. Maybe it's on that sheet. So there's bacon, breath mint, peanut butter, and pumpkin pie. So that's pretty cool. There's whole wheat flour, oatmeal, water, coconut oil, and bacon grease in the bacon. Whole wheat flour. Oh, and it tells you what they look like. Oh, how cute. The bacon is the bone, the breath mint is the clover, the peanut butter is the house, and the pumpkin pie is the pumpkin. So there's a pumpkin. And there's a breath mint and a bacon. And I just need a house. There we go. Oops. So there's all 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. How cute is that? I want to see if my dog likes them. Hey, Taz. Tasman. Come here. Come here, Taz. Come here. The door's kind of closed. He's afraid to open it. Come here, Taz. Sit. Let's see. Let's try the bacon one first. Do you like it? Let me show you him. Okay, how about the... Which one's this? Oh, sit. Sit. Good boy. Peanut butter. You like it? Is it yummy? Is it yummy? How about the pumpkin pie? Oh my goodness. Is that like yum? Is that so yum? So yums? And finally the breath mint. He loves them. Yay. All right. Good boy, Chazamundo. Who's my Taz? Who's my Taz? Who's my sweet boy? I love that boy. Okay, so those were a hit. Oh, and I just poked him in his eye. Sorry about that, Tazaroonie. Okay, and then I also got these. I'm kind of a dingbat sometimes, but they are reusable dryer sheets. So what you do is you mix them, and it probably has the directions. So before I tell you, let's read the directions. And it comes with a little bottle of oil, and I just picked the lemon eucalyptus. There were different kinds that you could choose. Oh, that smells so good. It smells clean and fresh. So fill a jar 1 to 2 inches with equal parts water and white vinegar. Add 5 to 10 drops of essential oil. Fold the dryer sheet so they fit in the jar, putting one end in the liquid like a wick. Use 1 or 2 sheets per load of laundry, wringing out excess liquid first. Throw them in the dryer and dry as usual. When you fold your laundry, refold the dryer sheets and stick them back in the jar. So this, oh, you get 2. I didn't realize you got 2. So this is them. And I thought you only got 1, but it looks like you get 2. And they're made of, it feels like, flannel. and I picked a few different patterns. Of course, I had to pick the hedgehogs and the critters. Puppy friends, it says. Isn't that cute? Has a little kitty and a little puppy. So I don't know. I thought that these would be worth a shot. I saw them on one of my friend's channels, who is Homestead Tessie. She is awesome. And I thought that when I saw her do it, she actually made hers, which, you know, obviously you could do. I just thought they were not very expensive, and I thought for the price I would just go ahead and order some and make it even a little easier on myself. So I am going to try this and see what I think. Vinegar and water and a few drops of the scent, and I got the same scent for all of them, so I wouldn't have to worry about that. Soak 1 to 2 sheets in a jar of vinegar solution and add to your dryer. When you're done, put the sheet back in the jar for the next time. So it's just reusable, and it's supposed to take the static away. It's supposed to be really nice. I actually think, now that I said that, I think I did get 2 of each, just because I thought I'd want more now that I'm thinking about it. So I think I did purchase 2 of each. So there's the little hedgehog, just super cute and nice. And what is this? Aw, this is my invoice. So yes, I did order 2. Each one was $1.25, so $2.50 on each one of these bags. And then the treats were $6. And this is even cute paper. And then look, she gave me a little clip that's a butterfly. It's like a wooden button butterfly. And then a sticker. Cute. And then it looks like I also got some samples here. Thanks for your order. We enjoyed making it. Please be generous with the enclosed samples and have a great day. Well, how sweet is that? So she gave me a sampling of some dog treats. It looks like 1 of each. That's awesome. So I can give that to somebody. Oh, I even thought about getting one of these. These are Catnip Candies. And they're made of, oh, that blanket fleece, that blanket material. I'm going to have to see if my cats like that. And then this one is grain-free dog treats. Corn, soy, and dairy-free. So I think what I'll do is I'll take these 2 to work and give those to a couple of friends of mine that have dogs and see what they think. And then I think I'm going to let my cats play with this one. But how sweet is that? I love that. What a great advertisement. I mean, and you know what's better than word of mouth? That's wonderful. All right, so that's what I got. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope that you guys check out Made by Tricia. So I will talk with you soon. Bye-bye.